Welcome to my channel PCB Design. In this video, a stereo preamplifier with tone control circuit is being described for your assembly. You can use it in your audio power amplifiers. This is a special preamplifier circuit with stereo performance coupled with best tone control circuit. The special features of this circuit are listed here. We can go through it. This is the circuit uses just a single preamplifier. This is one chip stereo amplifier. This just uses one chip stereo preamplifier, and it is suitable for most amplifiers, audio power amplifiers. Your public address systems, music systems can be attached with this stereo preamplifier for your best control of your sound quality. This circuit uses a Motorola IC TCA5500 or TCA5550. It is a special IC for the performance of the stereo preamplification coupled with tone control. You can get since it is the stereo amplifier, you can input left and right channel signals directly into this IC. You can get back left and right channel preamplified signal in the output section. The tone control gives bass as well as treble best controls for its operation. It also uses balance control for your balance optimization of your tone control. Of course, volume control is also included in this circuit. The minimum components count employs you and simplifies this preamplifier, the tone control circuit assembly easier and faster for your purpose. This is the preamplifier with the tone control circuit schematic is given here. This is the IC used TCA55.
This is the TCA5500 preamplifier IC.
This is the TCA5500 TCA5500 preamplifier IC coupled with is a tone control circuit is designed with this IC. It's a very simple circuit. You can see the left and right channel signals are fed directly to this IC between the pins 12 and 16. Here, the output is taken out of the pins 2 and 8 respectively. You can get the left and right channel output. The tone control side is best. This is the P1 is the bass control. P1 is the bass control circuit. And P2 is the treble control tone control circuit. This is implied. And P3 is the balance control. for effective balance of the stereo. Volume control is also included as a P4 for your control of your output volume. The circuit is powered with 15 volts power supply, comes from the regulated PC IC2, that is 7815. The IC 7815 gives you stabilized DC 15 volts DC supply used to the in 13 of this IC. This is employed. Normally, the amplifier uses 21 to 20 volt, 21 to 24 volt power supply for the audio amplifier. Operation be given here, and so the IC2 7815 reduces the input power supply to exactly 15 volts and is fed to the IC pin number 13 of this IC. This is a specially designed circuit, very low component count, so it can be easily assembled on any general purpose PCB, and it can be adapted to any audio amplifier and musical systems for your daily usage. It is very much appreciated in circuit count, and its performance is superb when compared to other ICs. This stereo preamplifier with a tone circuit is a welcome feature for this circuit design. Thank you very much for your observation, and please comment your views and share with us. Thank you.